Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. Today I'm going to show how to check cabin filter for Ford Fusion and Mondeo without removable glove box hole assembly. We usually for the check and replacing cabin filter or remove air duct cover and side cover and then glove box and access to this cabin filter right there. I found the alternative way to check the cabin filter without removal air duct, glove box, and side cover. That is so easy to fast to check the cabin filter. First, you guys turn on the AC or start the engine and press defrost mode, because when shut off the engine, air pressure door actuator shut it off. So once the depressed wire turn on AC, and then there's 3 clips under the cowl cover, and remove these 3 clips from the cowl cover and metal panel, and then lift up the cowl cover. You guys can see that dirty cabin air filter. So easy to access, so fast to check it out. Once you guys check the cabin filter and then put it back to the 3 clips, that's all. So easy. And then once the dirty, you guys can access the glove box, can change the cabin filters now. Thank you for watching.